Hello everyone, welcome back to indiancoding.com. Today we are going to study about Python operators. So operators are used to perform operations on variable and values. So it will happen when operators are used when the variables and value that are available and we have to work on that, like x equal to 3. So here equal to is a operator. So that's how you can write. Here example is use 10 plus 5. So plus is a operator. So there are different kind of operators that are available. Okay. So Python divides the operator in following group. These are the following groups that are available here. So arithmetic, assignment, comparison, logical, identity, membership, bitwise, Python arithmetic, and these kind of operators that are available. So operate Python arithmetic operators. These are the Python arithmetic operators. The first one we are having the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponential. So these are kind of the operators you can write in the form of arithmetic operators. What is Python assignment operators? Assignment operators that are called equal to plus equal to. That means that it is equal to 3. See, like x plus equal to 3, that is x equal to x plus 3. So that is how you can write it. So these are the different kind of assignment operators and their examples are available. So I have provided all kind of operators. You can pause this video and you can write it on your notebook, or you can also take the screenshot of this video. So these are the different kind of operators are available. The third one we are having is Python comparison. How can you compare two values? So in that case, these are the different kind of operators that are available. First one is equal. So you have to provide double equal to, then only it will be equal to equal. For not equal, you have to first write exclamation mark, then equal to, then it is equal to, non equal to. Okay. So there are few different kind of examples I have given. You can write this operator and their name, and you can also try these examples. So it will be easy for you. The next one we are having is Python logical operator. In that case, logical operators are used to combine conditional statement. It will help you to find the conditional statement. What are the condition and what is the statement we are going to use with the help of it. So here I use those statements. So operators, first one we are having AND, which returns the true if the both statement are true. So this is the example. How can you do this? But so first you have to write x is smaller than 5 and x is smaller than 10. So these condition are true, then we are writing it as a true. Okay. So that's how you can give the condition and you can mention these operators over there. So in that case, what happened? Like after writing these particular operators, next we are having OR. So in that case, return true if the statement is true. So that's how you can write it. If the statement is true, it will help you to give the return true if the one of the statement is true. Only one of the statement is true. The first one we were having is the both condition is true. But in case of the second one, we are having only one condition that is true. That is why we are mentioning OR over there. So these are the different kind of methods that are available. In the third, we are having NOT, that is equal to reverse the result. It will help you to reverse the result. So return false if the result is true not. So in that case, it will reverse the result, will help you to provide the reverse result. The another form operator, that is the Python operator, that is available. So in that case, operators are used to compare the objects, not if they are equal, but if they are actually the same object with the operator descriptions. So in that case, with the same memory location, if the two operators are staying at the same location, what happened? It will provide you the same values. So in that case, we have to write the identity operator. In case of the description example, return true if the both variables are the same objects. So if the same objects are available, so x is y. So if the same objects are available, we don't need to do any changes over there. We have to just write it x is y. So is not means return the true if the both variables are not the same object. Then you have to mention the not, is not. That means these two variables are not same. So that's how you can write it, the two different variables. Then we are having, next one we are going to have is Python membership operators. So what is Python membership operator? If a sequence is presented in a objects, in that case what happen, you have to maintain the sequence of the two objects that are available. So in that case, it is very easy to provide the sequence. The another one we are having is in, not in, and what are the different cases for that? In case of in, you have to write return true if the sequence with the specified value is present in an object. So in that case, the table is available. With the help of this table, you will be able to understand how can you write the different kind of operator and their descriptions. The last one we are having is bitwise operator. So these are the bitwise operator that is very easy to use. That is ampersand I have used, that is the name for this is and the set each bit to 1 if both bits are 1. So it will set each bit to 1 if both bits are 1. So if they are equal to 1, both bits, then it will provide you 1. In case of the or, what happened, it will provide you the number, set each bit of 1 if the 2 bits is 1. So if the 2 bits are equal to 1, it will provide you on 1 bit that is equal to or. So these are the very easy format that we studied in our junior classes also. So we can work on these kind of classes. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to Python. Thank you so much.